Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change phone number on BestWallet app. To change your phone number on your BestWallet account, first of all, open the BestWallet app and sign into your account like you normally do. After you're inside the home page of BestWallet, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. From the Settings menu, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Inside Two-Factor Authentication tab, tap on Change Phone Number. You will then need to scan your Face ID or enter your passcode for your wallet. On the next page, select your country code by tapping on the flag drop-down and type down your phone number on the next field. After you write down your new phone number, tap on Send Verification Code. On the next page, type in the verification code or the one-time passcode you received via SMS on your new mobile number. After writing down your code, you will be able to change your phone number on BestWallet. So that is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.